Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? We've moved again. We have moved again. Yes, we have, because I'm mainly very bored of everybody moaning about my lights. Thank you so much if you have been bearing with me on my lighting. I know when we moved to my new space, I did say lighting, I knew it was an issue, I knew we needed to tweak it, and I've been playing around and I've been trying my best to sort it out, but some people didn't want to hear that, and I've had non-stop moaning and complaining about my lighting, even though I have been doing everything I can, and I've said I've been doing everything I can to make it as good as possible for you, as realistic as possible, but as clear and as good quality as possible. And I've been doing everything I can, and I think really the only thing I've been able to do is move to this slightly different location. So my desk is literally just there. I've just kind of turned everything round because I just didn't have enough space to put the lights that I needed. Anyway, we are where we are. I'm gonna keep tweaking this, playing around. Thank you so much for bearing with me and just, yeah, letting me work it out. So today we are back with the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. I asked you guys when I did my trying new makeup video whether you wanted a 10 looks 1 palette with this bad boy, and it was a resounding yes, 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 yes please. You did, you did. So here we are. I'm really sorry if you can hear my little boy in the background. He is not having a fun time. He's got the chicken pox, so he's not the happiest little guy, bless him. So he is giving daddy a hard time downstairs while I do this, and then he can give me a hard time instead. So if you are new here, welcome, my name's Charlotte. Just a few disclaimers before we jump into these 10 looks. I'm not a professional makeup artist. These 10 looks are not designed to change your life, to break the internet, to get me on the Anastasia Beverly Hills PR list. They are here to show you what every shade in this palette looks like on the eye, to show you what shades go together, to give you some ideas for looks, so that if you have the palette, you've got a framework and some ideas to draw from someone with no talent, no professional training, and very minimal skill. I'm not going to be using 500 professional brushes. I'm going to be using my standard, cheap, affordable, not cheap, cheap's a bad word, affordable brushes, and not that many of them, and no more skill than anybody else watching has. So this is the point. It's for people like myself who just want to see if they can use this palette for an everyday palette for all different occasions, from going to work with a couple of shades thrown on in 5 minutes to a date night in maybe 15 minutes. So all of these are going to be quick, simple, easy, very achievable, no cut creases, no concealer, no wet brushes, just using the palette as it is with my dry brushes. So if that sounds like what you've been looking for, if you're trying to decide if you want this palette, if you're not really sure how to use it, if you've got it and you're looking for ideas, this is the video for you. As always, I'm not going to be doing my lower lash line because I don't want to keep wiping that area and adding even more wrinkles than I already have there, if you know what I'm saying. I'm not going to be doing brows and lashes because I can't deal with doing them 10 times. I'm also not going to bother highlighting my inner corner and my brow bone every time because it will just be the same process. So what you're going to get is the upper lid, this bit of my eye, this bit, and then we'll leave everything else alone because, you know, 10 is enough for any area of the face. But I will always just use the first or second shade, run under my lower lash line with a pencil brush if I was going to finish the look. Let's get started.